I start by using Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This is just a magical cream. I then go in with Clinique's lip balm and also use this color corrector by K Beauty in the shade Peach. I then take in Benefit's highlighter and add it to my base so that it just gives it that flawless look. This is a concealer by Too Faced. I'm in the shade Natural Beige and Light Beige, and trust me guys, this is a magical concealer. I then go in with my foundation from Estée Lauder. I'm in the shade 2W2 Rattan, and just look at it. It blurs everything and gives my face such a natural look. That's what I love about this foundation. Now I'm going to go use my favorite finishing powder. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my god, you guys, I'm in the shade medium. This is just a magical product. I'm then going to just lightly comb my brows and just fill in the parts that need to. I'm then going to take in my bronzer to add depth into my skin. Oh my god, this one is from Benefit. This is NARS, the blush duo, and just look at it. It gives it such a beautiful glow to your face, and that color is so subtle, so nice. I just love it. This is a blush stick by HUDA in the shade Proud Pink. This is one of my favorites in the world. I then do my eyes. I have a neutral base. I'm going in with Huda Beauty's palette, a rose quartz, and I then take the same shade to my lower lash line as well. This is a lipstick by Huda, and I'm just going to use it as my base to give it that beautiful brown color. The Chanel eyeshadow, it just adds that subtle sheen, and just like I'm just doing something very minimal to my eyes, but something that actually looks really noticeable as well. I then use my mascara from Maybelline. This one is my favorite, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lip liner and very Victoria lipstick shade. I then use it in my setting spray, and this is the final look. I just love it. It's so subtle, it's so glam.